Two people solved the same problem. One got paid $40 and one got paid $40,000. You are not paid for what you know. You are paid for being there. Two people solve the same problem. One gets paid $40 an hour. One gets paid $40,000 for the outcome. Same problem, completely different relationship with their own time. Subscribe to Technology Upside because the income model most people are running was designed to keep them replaceable. Trading time for money made sense when time was the input. In knowledge work, and especially in AI-augmented work, time is not the input. Judgment is the input. Insight is the input. A 1-hour decision can generate more value than 40 hours of execution. If you charge by the hour, getting faster makes you earn less. AI has created a direct financial penalty for being efficient inside a time-based billing model. The model itself is broken, not your skills. Decoupling your income from your physical presence is not a philosophical idea. It is the only income model that survives in an AI-accelerated economy. But switching models is not just a pricing decision. It requires a completely different kind of cognitive approach. That is what the next video is about.